Potato chips production line with heat pump dryer. Step 1. Potatoes are screened in the vibrating screen machine. All potatoes with diameter less than 4 cm are screened out, and the others are sent to the cleaning and peeling machine through the elevator. Step 2. Potatoes are washed and peeled in the cleaning and peeling machine. After that, the gate of cleaning tank is opened, and these potatoes will enter the next slicing process. Step 3. Potatoes are transported to the slicer hopper through the elevator. Here they are cut into required slices, strips, or particles, and then sent to the rinsing tank for rinsing. Please be noted, we have different types of dryers for different drying capacities, such as belt dryer for large scale, and dryer room for smaller one. Here we are introducing our dryer room type. If you want to learn more about belt dryer, please contact us through sales@transfrio.com. Step 4. The rinsed potato slices are sent to the workbench through a conveyor belt, and are manually placed and loaded into a cart. Then the cart is pushed into our integrated dryer room for steaming and drying. Step 5. The cooking process takes 20 to 40 minutes, and in this process, the high temperature steam can keep and fix the color and shape of the potato chips. Step 6. After cooking and then removing the sealing baffle in front of the fan and air outlet, potato chips will enter the final drying process. During the process, the potato chips are dried continuously to the required condition, usually with 12% moisture content. Step 7. After finishing drying, the potato chips are sent for packaging. And so far, all the process of potato chips is completed. Contact us now for more product details.